Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to fix the Wi-Fi network not available or Wi-Fi network not showing up. Your router is on, at the same time you have a Wi-Fi network in a home from the same router in other devices. Maybe your cell phone is working, your other TV and other devices are working, but you do not have a Wi-Fi in your PC. You're supposed to have when it is working on other devices, you're supposed to have in your PC, but Wi-Fi is not showing up in your PC. Wi-Fi network is not available on your PC. So we're going to fix this issue. You're going to try the number of steps in this tutorial. I'll be guiding you with a different number of steps. Either step will definitely fix your issue. I hope it fixes, so you can try these steps. So let's begin with the first step. So you go to the start icon in your PC, give a right click and then go to settings. You can see it's a setting. Inside settings, you're going to check for network and internet, right? Just select this and click on network and internet, and then you have to go to Wi-Fi. You can see it's a Wi-Fi. You have to go to the Wi-Fi and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. So you just have to turn on the Wi-Fi first. So that's the first thing you need to check. If it is turned off, you can turn on. Or even if it is turned off, turn on, you just try turning it off, and then you can just wait for a while, and then you can see a number of options over here. So always choose manually and then turn it back again and check if your Wi-Fi is showing up and you are able to connect. If it is still not showing up, proceed to the next method. Go to the start icon, give a right click on it and go to settings. Inside settings, here is the time and language. So you have to select this time and language and click on this time and language. Make sure all the dates and information is correct over here. Correct date and time. Even this causes the issue sometimes. Make sure all the dates and times are correct. All the reason, date, time, everything is perfect. So you can check for date and time, reason, and then you can just put the correct date and time and everything, and then you can just close it and then just go back to the setting again, and then go to the network and internet, and then go to the Wi-Fi and check for the available network. Go to show available network. You can go to the show available network and you can directly click on over here in the network icon and see if network is available and you are able to connect it. If network is not showing up, it is not available, your home Wi-Fi network name is not showing up, not available, you can proceed to the next method. You can see the start icon. Go to start icon, give a right click at it and go to setting again. Here's the network and internet. Click on it and then you're going to choose airplane mode. Here's the airplane mode. So once you go to the airplane mode, you can see it is turned off. It should be turned off, but you are not seeing your it is not showing up your network. So just for a while turn it on. As soon as you turn on, you'll see your Wi-Fi off. Just wait for a while and then just back turn it off and you'll see your Wi-Fi on. If it is not on, you can manually turn it on, and you can check now. You just go back, you can check it over here if it is showing up your network and you are able to connect. Or you can go to the Wi-Fi and it should be turned on. You can show the available network. You can see for the available networks over here by clicking and see if your network is available and it is showing up and you are able to connect. And you can repeat this process even one more time after restarting your PC. And all these are the minor steps that you can follow, because if your PC has a minor issue with the Wi-Fi network, if it was working before and it is not working for a while, so you can follow these minor steps. So restart your PC and follow this step once more again. So if it is showing up your Wi-Fi network and you are able to connect, it's okay. Otherwise, you can proceed to the next method. Now you can try troubleshooting your issue. So first thing you're going to do is, you're going to see here's the search. In search, you're going to type, it's a network, it's a network network. Okay guys, you can see fix and find the network problem. So it is available in the control panel. Even you can go through the control panel. You can open the control panel and you can click on fix and find the network problem. or you can type it as it is, fix and find the network problem in a search, and you're gonna open it, and you can go to the advanced, and even if you want, you can run as an administrator. So at first try without running as an administrator. If it is not working, you can run as an administrator, and then click on next, and it will look for the issue, and then you can just select it. Troubleshoot my connection to the internet and help me protecting my privileges. So you're gonna troubleshoot the issue. So troubleshoot, and now you can see you can if you get any kind of problem, you can skip this step for getting the more details or trying to fix the issue further, and even you can try applying this fix, and you'll see your Wi-Fi should be working. So this is the another step that you can try. Another way to troubleshoot is you can just what you're gonna do is whatever Wi-Fi signal you are getting. So here's the Wi-Fi symbol. Just give a right click on that symbol and directly troubleshoot the problem. Even you can troubleshoot the problem if you are getting any kinds of Wi-Fi logo over there in the taskbar. You can directly skip this step. If you skip these steps, it will further look for the issue, and it will give you the details what all are the several issue, or even it try to fix the issue sometime. Okay guys, you can check to see if the problem is fixed, or skip these steps. You can check if the problem is fixed. So this is the method of troubleshooting. So problem is yet not fixed. You can look for the detailed information also. What are the several problems and why it is not fixed and all. So if this troubleshooting fix your issue, it's okay. Otherwise, you can proceed to the next method. So another way to troubleshoot is go to settings, and then after you just go to the here is update and security at the bottom. So go to the update and security, and then you have to go to the troubleshoot. You can see over here is the troubleshoot, and then come down, and you can internet connection over here. Click on that and run the troubleshooter. So you can run the troubleshooter. This is the, and you can select it, and you can apply the fix, or you can skip this step. At first apply the fix. If it do not work, come back again and skip this step. This is the second time you need to follow. There's another way you can do. Here it is, find and fix the problem. So there's another place. Again, run the troubleshooter. It will detect the problem. You can see your network is not being able to find this computer, or you can just manually type it. You can apply the fix or skip these steps. If you at first try applying this fix, if it is working, okay. If it do not work, come back and run the troubleshooter and skip this step. Skipping these steps will further check for the issue. You can see further it is checking for the issue. So you can do this to troubleshoot the problem. So troubleshooting is the another important steps that you're going to follow to fix this issue, and I hope your Wi-Fi will be working fine now. You can see it is showing the Wi-Fi symbol right now, and it has the internet access. And if this step also do not work for you guys, proceed to the next method. Okay guys, now you're going to check in your keyboard if you have any key available on your keyboard with a Wi-Fi symbol. So try to turn on Wi-Fi through keyboard key, and if it is turned off, try to turn on, and if it is turned on, you just try to turn off and turn it back again and see if it is showing up the network. Sometime turn off and turn on the airplane mode. So currently I do not have any Wi-Fi switch on my keyboard or any key where there is a Wi-Fi symbol, but I do got over here, it's the airplane mode. So here's a tower like icon. I can turn on and off airplane mode. So you can try doing that. So I'll be using the function key, because simply I'll press this, it won't work because it has a two different function. So in order to turn on and off airplane mode, this is the function key. I'll tap it and I'll just press it, and this turn on the airplane mode. You can see the airplane mode is turned on. You'll see the message in your laptop that airplane mode is turned on. So again, press the same function key and same key once again, and you will get the message that airplane mode is turned off. So airplane mode should be turned off in order to turn on the Wi-Fi. So turn on the airplane mode through keyboard and again turn it off, and see if it is showing you your Wi-Fi network and all your Wi-Fi networks are available and you are able to connect. So this is another step that you can follow in order to fix the issue. Still you have the issue, proceed to the next step. It's the start icon, give a right click on it and then again go to settings. Inside settings, you're going to choose update and security. It's the update and security. Click on update and security and check for the updates. You can see currently it's a no Wi-Fi and all, so we cannot check for the update. If you have a wired device, if you have a wired cable, you can just for a while, or you can just use a neighbor or a friend's. You can use the wired one. It's a wired cable to connect to the internet and check for the update and install the updates, and your PC will be working fine. Make sure, and if it is working, if it is showing up the Wi-Fi again, you can start using it just for a while. Or you can directly connect a cable to your modem and to your PC and check for the update and install the updates. And once you install the updates, you can just get that cable out of your PC. So every PC has a network port. Somewhere you're going to find the network port in your PC. So update it, or you can use the nearby. You can go to the nearby shop also to update your PC and check if your update works for you. If it do not work, so you have to check for the updates multiple times and you have to restart your PC. So restart your PC and check for the update again. If any update is available, you just make all the updates and check if it is showing your Wi-Fi network. If it do not show the Wi-Fi network, and if it is not showing up your Wi-Fi name, you just have to proceed to the next method. Okay guys, you can see it's a Wi-Fi symbol. It's a network symbol. Give a right click on it and then you can click on this open network and internet setting. It's open network and internet setting, and then finally once you open the network and internet setting, even you have a troubleshoot option over here. So wherever you see troubleshoot option, try that steps, try to troubleshoot it. Click on troubleshoot and just try to troubleshoot the issue. It will detect for the problem and see if it fixed the issue. And in this step, what you guys are going to do is, you can see over here, just come down, scroll it down, and you can see change adapter option. So click on this change adapter option, and here it is the Wi-Fi. Just give a right click on it and then try to disable it and enable it back again. Alright guys, you just have to disable it and try to enable it back again. So we'll just disable it and give a right click on it and enable it back again. So sometimes it will be disabled, so you just have to enable it. You can see it's enabling. So if it is enabled, you have to disable and enable again, and if it is already enabled, so already disabled, you just enable it and check if your Wi-Fi network it is showing up and you are able to connect. And still you have the issue, proceed to the next method. So if you are using other version of Windows like Windows 7, you can go through the control panel. You can see it, and you can go to the control panel and you can go to the connection options. So you may not have the same settings for all the version of Windows. So but if you are using a Windows 10, it's okay. You can view the you can go to the adapter option through the control panel also if you are using other version of Windows like Windows 7 and all. So guys, you'll be proceeding to the next method. If you do not fix enabling and disabling and enabling the Wi-Fi network, just proceed to the next method. You're gonna tap Windows key and R key in your keyboard. Press Windows plus R to open run. Okay. Now you're gonna type here services.msc. Okay guys, you just have to type as it is, services.msc. So here it is, services.msc. You just type it in, run, and then press OK. So this will open it. Just tap W letter in your keyboard and it will show you lots of options. Just come down, you're gonna find WLAN. So here it is, WLAN autoconfig. Just select that WLAN autoconfig. Once you select that WLAN autoconfig, just give a right click on it and go to properties. And make sure it is automatic over here in the properties. In the properties, you have lots of options. Make sure you have over here it's automatic. If it is not automatic, if you have several other options other than the automatic, just select automatic and apply and OK. Once you have done that, you will be seeing running and it is showing automatic. Along with all this, you can see on the top you have a stop and a start option. So say stop the service and then start the service again. Even if you want, give a right click on the service, you can stop and start from here. Not only that much, even if you want, you can refresh the service. Just refresh the service for a multiple number of times and again make sure if it is running and it should be automatic over here. No, otherwise it might not be working. And go to properties and check everything is fine. It is automatic over here and OK. Now close it and check if your Wi-Fi network is showing up you and you are able to connect. If it do not show up and you are still not being able to connect and it is not at all showing any Wi-Fi network, so what you guys gonna do? Proceed to the next step. So in this step, you have to restart your modem. Just turn off everything. Turn off your modem, turn off your Wi-Fi, turn off your laptop. And again, at first try to turn on your modem. Make sure it is completely started and you are able to connect to other devices. Then after, only you just turn on your laptop. Suddenly at a time, you just do not turn on everything. Just make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi, you turn on your other devices, it is connected to the network, and then after you turn on your laptop and just try to check if it is showing up your network and you are able to connect. Still no, you have to update your driver. This is the next step you're gonna follow. Give a right click on this PC or my computer and go to manage. Once you go to manage, is the device manager. In a device manager, you just have to give a right click on network adapter. You can see on the right side here is the network adapter. Here is guys, it's a Intel wireless AC adapter. So any kinds of wireless adapter, maybe you have a different version of a wireless adapter in your PC. Give a right click on it, update the driver first. Search automatically and update it. Next thing you're gonna do, disable. You have lots of options guys over here. You can browse from your computer also if you have downloaded from somewhere. So you have seen it, you have to search for it automatically. You haven't seen, then see it again. And next thing what you're gonna do, give a right click again, disable it and enable it back again. Click on yes and just enable it back again and see if it is showing up the Wi-Fi network and you are able to connect. So one by one you're gonna follow the steps and you have to check, keep on checking which step work for you and you are able to see your Wi-Fi network and able to connect. Next is scan for the hardware change. Next is go to properties and you can see the message over here, what message it is showing you. It is showing any kinds of issue, then you have to go with the issue and fix it. Device is working properly, so no issue with the device. If it is showing any kind of error, you're gonna search for that solution. You have to search for the solution for that particular error. You have to fix that particular error first. And even you can check for the driver. You can update the driver. You can just follow the last step: driver, update driver. You can roll back driver, disable the devices and enable it back again. You can uninstall the devices and all. What are you gonna do? Finally, uninstall the devices. Just uninstall the devices and restart your PC. When you restart your PC, your device will be automatically installed. You don't have to manually install, guys. Even if you do not install, just make a note of the driver. So whatever driver, whether it's Intel Wireless 89, it's a AC 9560 160 megahertz. So Intel Wireless driver for a particular PC. Maybe you are using HP, maybe you are using Dell, maybe you are using a different model. So you know your laptop and model number. You can search for it manually on a search and then install it. You can use your friend's laptop. It is not working on your laptop. Even you can use your mobile device. You can just download with your mobile device, search for the driver, download it and install it. Copy it into your laptop and install it manually. So it's a wireless AC. So guys, so uninstall the devices and it will go away. Restart your PC and your device will be installed again automatically. And check if it show up your Wi-Fi network and it is working fine. If it do not show up your network Wi-Fi again and it is not connecting, what are you guys gonna do? As I told you, use your cell phone. If it is working, if Wi-Fi is working in your cell phone, you can search for the driver. How are you gonna search? You have to type the model number in a Google search. Let's say you are using HP laptop and model number is HP, maybe you are using HP Pavilion 15 and HP Pavilion 16, or you are maybe using Dell G7 or Dell G8 or whatever, and you have even if you know the model number like 7580 8580, you have to search for the wireless driver and it is good to download from the official website. Download the wireless driver from the official website. You can use any device, even your friend's laptop and all, and install it manually and check if it is working fine. If you are able to see your Wi-Fi network and you are able to connect. So this was the next step, guys. You can try. Still do not work, proceed to the next step. Again, you just have to go to the start icon and give a right click on it. And then you're going to see command prompt admin. Open that command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes. Okay guys, what you're going to do, you're going to see over here is a lots of command. You just have to make a note of all these commands. So here it is. It's a different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a command prompt command. Just make a note of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5 commands. Just make a note of it. One by one. You're going to type it or copy and paste it over here. And then just run it. Press enter key. And you can see it's a successfully reset Win catalog. In the same way, guys, one by one, you just have to type all these commands. You have run one command. Again, type this command and press enter key. 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 So one by one, you have to type all these commands in a command prompt and press enter key after each command. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 command. And then after, go back and check if your Wi-Fi is working fine. It is showing up, your Wi-Fi network is showing up and you are able to connect. So this was the next method you're going to follow. So correctly make a note of these commands, each commands. Even I've left it in the pinned post comment section down below. You can just make a note of it. Still issue, proceed to the next step. Okay, to the next step, give a right click on start icon, go to setting, network and internet setting, and finally here's the status. Come down, you're gonna see network reset over here. You can see network reset. Click on it and then reset now. Just reset the network and then check it out. If it is working fine, you are able to connect. It is showing up your network and you are able to connect. Still the issue, proceed to the next step. In this step, we will restart the PC first. So we are going to fix it through the BIOS method. Now either you go to the start and restart your PC, otherwise press Alt and F4 key. It's a shortcut key, and then choose restart. All of you knows to restart your PC, so just restart it. Otherwise, shut down it and turn it back again. As soon as you see your PC is going to turn off, or as soon as you turn off your PC and turn it on, you have to press F2 key if you are using Dell. So you have a different brand, so keep on pressing F2 key, do not stop. So continuously you have to press the F2 key in your keyboard. Okay guys, you can see here's the BIOS setting in my Dell laptop. So if you're using HP, Acer or several other brand, maybe sometime you have to press the escape key to go into the BIOS settings. Sometime you may have to press F12 key or Dell key to go to the BIOS setting. So different brand has a different function key that will help you enter into the BIOS setting. Even you can use your cell phone and you can search on a Google. You can type your laptop brand name and you can search how do you go into the BIOS setting for the particular brand of the laptop you are using. So you can enter the BIOS setting, and after you enter to the BIOS setting, you're gonna see somewhere wireless. So maybe you don't have the same setting arrangement in a different brand of your laptop. So you just have to click here and there and go into the different folder and check somewhere. You'll find the network setting and the wireless setting. So you have to find the wireless setting in a BIOS. So here is the wireless in my PC. Once you select the wireless, you're gonna see here I have a wireless switch and wireless device enable. So go to the wireless switch and then you can see here it is restore setting. So restore the wireless setting. Just click on it and it will restore the wireless setting. And then after you have to go to the wireless device enable. You have to just restore the setting. Here also you just have to restore the setting. Once you have done that, once you have restored your setting, you just have to exit it. And then you have to turn on your laptop. Okay guys, once you turn on your laptop, you'll see your Wi-Fi network will be visible and it will be working. So if it is a permanent fix, okay. If it is a temporary, every time you turn on your laptop, you have to go back and do the same thing. And you can use it for as long as your laptop is turned on. And if it is a permanent fix, it's okay guys. Now you can see here it's a Wi-Fi. I hope your Wi-Fi network will be available now. It will be visible, it will be showing and you can connect it. Still you have the issue, one more step. If it is a temporary or if it is you still having a issue, you can follow one more step. So we'll proceed to the next and the final step now. So give a look. Okay guys, next is now you just have to open the browser, any browser you have in your PC, and then you have to download a couple of software. You can see it is a support assistant launcher and Dell update application. So these two applications will help you update your all the drivers and all, and even it will give you different kinds of support assistance. So different brand, this is for the Dell. Like if you have for HP, you can download the application for HP. If you're using several other brand, you can download the application from those brand of laptop. So just open the browser. So in a search, this is the way how you're gonna search support assistant for Dell. So there are lots of web. It's good, or you always choose the official web. You can say it's like dell.com. So it's an official website where you're gonna find it. So it's good to choose the official website. If it is for HP, you can search support assistance for HP, and even you can mention the Windows version like Windows 10 or Windows 8 and all. So you can see HP support assistant. So just visit the web and you can just download the software. And after then, the another software is so this is the another software. It's a Dell update application. Even you can mention your laptop version. If you're using a Dell G7 or Dell some other brand model number, you can just mention the model number. That will be easy. So if you're using the G7, you can search like this for G7. You can mention the model number and all. It will be easy for you to download the best application. If it is for HP, you can just type HP update application. Now you can say HP now software and driver download. So you can download this update applications. It's support.hp.com. So you can visit the web and you can just download the couple of applications from its official web. Sometime you'll find this application installed in your device as soon as you purchase the device. Sometime if it is not installed in your device, you can install it manually. And what you're going to do, just give a right click on it and then run as an administrator, or just give a double click on it to run the application. Just click on yes, and then you just have to follow the wizard and it will install the application. So it's already installed. Likewise, same you can do for this. Give a right click, run as an administrator, or just give a double click on it to install the application, and it will install the application. So I have already installed this. So you can see here's the couple of applications I have already installed, and when I open this application, you can see it's a Dell update application that I can check for the update and install all the necessary update. So here's a list of update I can install into my PC, and this is the support assistant. Support assistant, you can see 5 driver update available. It's scanning for the hardware and it cleans the file, tune in performance and optimize the network. So you can, once it is done with all this, you can run it, let it scan everything, and then after you can run it. So you have a run option. Currently it's grayed out, so you need an internet connection. So if your Wi-Fi is turned off or Wi-Fi is not detecting, Wi-Fi is not showing, it is not connected. So how do you do this? Either you can do with your other devices, like a mobile hotspot, you can turn on and you can use it, or you can just use your cable. If your Wi-Fi is not working, you can use a cable. You can connect a cable to your router and directly to your PC, and you can do the update. Otherwise, the previous method was the BIOS method. If that method works and if it is temporary, definitely you'll have internet when you, at least for an hour, or if it is a temporary, it means you'll have internet for an hour or a couple of hours. So in that period of time you can do this update. So if there is any kinds of update available, or any kinds of you can say it's a scanning for the hardware, any kinds of hardware issue, then also you'll be getting the issue like this: your Wi-Fi is not detecting, or Wi-Fi is not showing, and following the BIOS method it comes up and again it goes up. Every time you start your PC you have to follow the BIOS method. So in order to get rid of that, once it is connected to your internet in one the either way, you just have to do all these updates, so that next time you will not have a Wi-Fi issue. So time to time you keep on doing this. You install all the necessary updates. Installing these 2 applications is the best application. Depending upon your brand, you can download and install, and you can optimize. Time to time you can just scan for the hardware and everything, and you can just keep on updating your PC so that you'll never have a issue, and you can run your laptop Wi-Fi smoothly. So guys, if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and just comment, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another great stuff. Have a good day.